This is Eileen, who attends one of the Golden Gate nursery schools. Finger painting is a joy to all the children. School life is not complete without this activity. A skillful teacher can supervise a number of children at one time, provided everything is in readiness beforehand. This handy bucket of water gets the bulk of the paint off the hands and saves the washroom from being smeared up. To get finished paintings that are satisfying to the child, materials must be properly prepared. In the Golden Gate nursery schools, the cook makes the paint. The recipe: 2 cups of sifted flour, 2 teaspoons salt, 3 cups of cold water, beat the mixture until lumps are gone. Add 2 cups of hot water and cook on the stove until clear, but not too thick. This good beating will remove all lumps. The lower half of milk cartons make good containers. One-quarter of a cup of vegetable coloring goes into each container of paint. Baker's food coloring is used, purchased for economy in gallon quantity. Coffee cans make good containers too. Leftover paint must be refrigerated to prevent souring. Plastic aprons are best protection to clothing and easy for teachers to keep clean. Wetting the table makes the paper stick to the table, but the paper itself is only wiped over with a wet sponge. Only the teachers take the paint from the containers, for they can best judge the correct amounts needed for good finished effects. The children point to the colors they want to use, a maximum of 4 colors being available. While the younger children may just smear the paints, these 4-year-olds use fingers as pencils and draw designs. See how this girl works with skill and deliberation to produce certain effects? The teacher learns to work fast and thus prevents restless fingers from painting other things besides the paper. When the paper slips, it is because the table is not wet enough. This is the forearm press technique. This is the elbow press technique. This folding process is one which the children discovered for themselves, and it gives many interesting effects. The washing up is part of the fun and calls for good techniques too. No towels wasted here. Careful presentation of good materials makes for good fun, and also for beautiful paintings such as those you now see. Paintings like these may not be works of art, but they are priceless pictures to those fortunate children who have opportunity to make them. Beautiful paintings can be made by all children if good materials are presented every day, and finger painting is considered primarily as an art material, so that each child develops beyond the smearing stage to the creative one, where colors are kept separated and designs come to life.